Ever feel like your YouTube subscriber count just won't budge, no matter what you do? Let's fix that. Here's how to avoid getting stuck and keep your channel growing the right way. First, whatever you do, don't buy subscribers or fall for those sub-4 sub deals. I know it's tempting, but YouTube's smarter than you think. It spots fake or inactive accounts and wipes them out, sometimes dropping your numbers lower than before. Not fun. Second, focus on real engagement. That means making videos people actually want to watch, like, and comment on. When viewers interact, YouTube takes notice. And that's what helps your channel grow naturally and keeps your sub count moving up, not down. Third, watch out for sudden spikes in subscribers. If your channel suddenly blows up out of nowhere, YouTube might put you under review, and you could see your count freeze or even fall. Aim for steady, consistent growth. No shortcuts, no tricks. Fourth, keep your channel healthy. Make sure you're verified, stick to YouTube's guidelines, and avoid spammy titles or clickbait. A channel that plays by the rules is far less likely to run into problems with subscriber counts. And finally, stay active. Upload regularly and actually talk to your viewers. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build that community. Active channels earn more trust from YouTube, so your numbers are more likely to stay accurate. Bottom line, grow naturally, stay consistent, and don't chase shortcuts. Do that and your subscriber count won't just move, it'll soar. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching.